Life is expensive. Come to Cash Converters.
Well, what an amazing workout, girls. You really did an amazing job. Now, earlier this week, we sent Tracy Volks and Katlego off to meet Amanda Jooste and her family. A clean and tidy house with a secret: clutter in the pantry and the garage. Common to most of us, of course. So how did they get on when they turned their stash into cash? Well, let's find out. Meet the Joostes. This modern, busy family of 5 live just outside of Cape Town. Katlego and Tracy Volks are on a mission to help them ban clutter from their lives.
Want ons is hier in Durbanville by die Jooste gesinhuis, want hulle het vir ons ingeskryf en ons gevra om hulle 'n bietjie te kom help om van hulle opgegaarde goedere ontslae te raak. En dis hoekom Tracy hier is. Sy is van Get Organised en sy is die kenner in hierdie gebied. Is jy reg?
I'm ready to go. Let's declutter.
Kom ons klop. Hallo.
This neat and tidy home holds an untidy secret: the pantry.
Nou man, ons is hier om te help, maar voor ons dit doen moet ons 'n bietjie meer uitvind oor die familie. Hoe lank bly hulle al in hierdie huis?
Ek woon so 7 jaar al hierso. Ons het so 'n halwe kilometer van hier af gewoon nog al die jare in Durbanville. Ek het 3 kinders, Nerine is 16, Ruben is 11 en Benjamin is 9. Met kinders kom maar altyd baie goed wat rond lê en wat ons plekkie voor kry wat ons moet bære. Ons probeer die huis maar netjies hou, want ek hou eintlik baie van 'n netjies huis, maar daar's 'n plek in ons spens wat baie die mekaar is, want alles wat ons nou nie plek vir kry nie, sit ons alles in die spens. So dit is nogal vir my probleem, want elke vakansie sorteer ek dit uit en dan raak dit nou maar net weer heeltemal alles opgegaar daarso.
En Tracy en jou werk kry jy seker baie te doen met sulke situasies, nê?
It's very, very common. You know, I think life happens, it's so busy, we're juggling so many roles. So like Amanda, she's really, really organized, but she's got a strong sentimental in her. So she wants to hold on to her things that gets now shoved behind the closed doors and drawers, and we can't see them. So the space is still visual and amazingly clear and looks pretty organized, but things are hiding.
Tracy explains how there's a value in all these items. This is the ideal opportunity to donate to charity and take the rest to Cash Converters.
En Tracy, waar begin mense as dinge so lyk? Ek weet jy het 'n paar wenke vir ons.
So when we can't even walk into the room and you're feeling pretty overwhelmed, it's a good place to decide where it is that you're going to start. So the idea is not to just heave everything out and then try and put it back, but we're going to go from one section and work our way around the room, touching each and every item and deciding whether we need it, use it, or love it. And if we don't need, use, or love it, probably it's time to pass it on for somebody else to enjoy. And that's when we're going to go to Cash Converters and convert it into some cash. We're going to get started right here at the door, and step by step, Amanda is going to decide what needs to stay and what needs to go. And once we've cleared everything out, deciding need, use, and love, we're going to group like items together, give it a home, and label it. Then we're going to set up a maintenance system so that Amanda doesn't fall back onto those old habits so quickly again.
Other tips are to set yourself a time limit and to carefully label each and every shelf so you're not tempted to use it for anything else in the future.
Tracy, jy het buite 3 hoopies gemaak. Wat is in elke hoopie en wat gaan ons daarmee doen?
Okay, so we had to get the stuff out of the room because otherwise we couldn't have even gotten in to organize. So we had 3 piles, one for giveaway, one for sell, and the other for not for this room.
Amanda, is jy nou tevrede met hoe jou spens lyk?
Dit is ongelooflik. Ek het nie woorde nie. Dit is net, ek meen, dit het nog nooit so gelyk nie. Dit is regtig amazing. Ek is baie bly.
So ek sê vir julle wat, kom ons vat die selhoopie, pak dit in 'n bakkie en ons gaan Cash Converters toe.
The whole family jumped in to help. This makes the task of decluttering less burdensome, as they may help you decide what to do with some of the tougher items.
Ons sê, die bakkies klaar gelaai en ons is nou op pad Cash Converters toe. Ons het sommer ook 'n paar goedjies van die motorhuis ook hier ingelaai. So, ons gaan nou hierdie stash cash. Dit lyk vir my 'n bietjie na wat? Skats so $1 million, huh?
There's over 50 Cash Converter stores countrywide, making it easy to turn clutter into cash. Katlego and Amanda chatted to one of the friendly managers to see how it's done.
So Bruce, hoe werk dit as mense by Cash Converters jou goed wil verkoop?
Basically, you need to have an idea as to what you want for the goods. You need to be able to say to us, I want 3,000 or 4,000 or 2,000 Rand for it. I will have had a look at it and I will work out what I believe our value as the store is for the goods. And we will then negotiate. There'll be a bit of horse trading and we will decide on a particular value. And that's what you're going to get in cash.
Behalwe my ID, het ek enigiets anders nodig?
No, you just need to bring your ID, that's all.
Keep in mind the store can pick up large items at your home. Give them a call with any questions. Meanwhile, the Jooste family made some instant cash.
Cha-chinga!
Well done. This family cleared and cluttered and made some quick and easy cash.
Read more on how you can do it too on cashconverters.co.za.
Now, Tracy, what was your reaction when you walked into Amanda's house, into her pantry?
Oh, you know, I wasn't surprised. It looked, I mean, you saw from the footage there, it looks immaculate. It looks beautiful. And that's very typical of somebody that believes that being organized is all about being neat. So in Amanda's case, she tends to hide things behind the closed doors.
We all do that. Come on, you've been to many houses where you've seen that.
There are a lot of houses, there are a lot of offices with lots of things hidden away.
Now, what are your tips for some people who want to get organized or want to tidy up their place?
Well, I think the first thing is understanding who you are. I think, you know, if you're a perfectionist, you want to make sure that it reflects who you are. But if you are more of a visual, your space can be visual. Being organized is not about being neat and tidy. It's about being able to find your things in the quickest possible time. So don't worry too much about how it looks. It's very much about how it works.
And how functional it is. I saw you had a labeler machine. Really great. I use these little post-it notes on my cupboard to label everything. I want one of those machines.
Okay, yeah, the little labeling machines. Well, we believe that if you group like items together and give it a home, labeling just takes away all the guesswork and allows you just, you know, if I need to put that away, let's easily put it, we know where it goes, and the whole family knows where it goes. Everybody in the office knows where it goes, so it's nice and easy.
Now, how important is Cash Converters to someone like Amanda and her family?
Well, what I liked about Cash Converters is it gives the option of where easily to get rid of your stuff. So often when we're working with our clients in their homes or their offices, the big reason they're not getting rid of the stuff that they need, use or love is because they don't know what to do with it.
Of course, you don't know what to do with it.
So yes, you can give it to charity organizations, that's no problem, and that's wonderful. You can pass it on to your relatives, but if that's not your option in this particular case, and particularly if you're wanting to get a little bit of cash back afterwards, then Cash Converters is a nice, easy solution where you can take everything to one place and get it sorted out in one go.
Now, you've got 6 easy tips for us to follow.
Well, there are 5 easy tips.
Oh, 5 easy, much easier. That's even
much
easier.
Yes. I think the first thing is to decide that you want to get organized, decide how you want it to look, and really remember again that it's about you, not about everybody else. So how do you want it to look? And if you get clear about that, then it's easier to know what that end goal is. You need to put some time aside, of course. So often we say we're not getting organized is because we don't have enough time. But if you put some time aside now, you'll realize that there's a whole lot more time gained in the long run. Take the phone off the hook, eliminate distractions. Then you can dive into decluttering the space. This is where you start off by weeding out the stuff that you no longer need, use, and love. And when you're left with what you need, use, or love, then group like items together, give it a home, and then you can get out your labeling machine and label it.
Or in my case, the post-it notes, yes.
The post-it notes, and then that very last important step is setting up a daily, weekly, monthly, or annual maintenance system so you don't fall back onto those old habits so quickly.
How easy is it to maintain that?
Well, it really depends, you know, what the situation is. I believe that small change makes huge and ongoing effect. So what we want to do is we want to do the little things, you know, 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes at the end of the week before you leave the office on the Friday. And what I want to also let you know is that Amanda isn't the only client that we're going to be working with here with Cash Converters and Expresso. We want to go to loads of houses, loads of offices around South Africa and help many other people get organized in their space.
So it's quite easy if you want to be part of that. All you need to do is email cashconverters@expressoshow.com. Tracy, thank you so much for joining us. We've got all the details of your adventures around the country that you're going to be doing and how people can get a chance to have Tracy and one of the Expresso team come to your house and declutter your life with Cash Converters. Take a look at this.
Is this your garage? Is your life a little too cluttered? Could you do with some extra cash? Well, Expresso have teamed up with Cash Converters and we're here to help. Declutter your home and cash that stash. All you have to do is email your name and contact information along with a photo of your clutter to cashconverters@expressoshow.com.
Life is expensive. Come to Cash Converters.